I just got 2 taba squishies, so let's unbox them. Start with the smaller one. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks like the cake. It comes with these super cute stickers. Looks super squishy. Look how detailed and cute this little cake is. This taba is definitely worth it, and it's super cheap. Now let's open the big one. These little elephants. Let's open the big one first. Look how cute this little elephant is. Now let's open the little baby elephant. Also rate these ones a 10 out of 10. It's such a unique texture. I definitely recommend you guys trying these out. They're so satisfying.